Good afternoon. I'm here in front of the Cloud Thonglor. So this is a model of the cloud. It's going to be 202 meters high. It will have 56 floors. Here you have an idea how the swimming pool on the top floor is going to look, and there's going to be like a garden, and the views from here of the city are going to be amazing. I'm here to give an update regarding putting the wires on the ground. So the groundwork is already on the way here. The wires are still hanging here, but obviously they still need to function until everything is finished. If you remember, I made a video on Sukhumvit Homes explaining that Bangkok is doing a very big effort to get all the wiring on the ground. Well, it's underway. So I just wanted to give a small update about that. If you enjoyed this update for Bangkok Expat, feel free to subscribe, drop me a line, and see you guys in my next video.